Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the LG SL6Y 3.1 channel high-resolution audio soundbar, a fantastic sound system that brings cinematic audio right into your home. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available on this soundbar today. Alright, let's jump into it. The LG SL6Y features 3.1 channels, including a dedicated center channel for enhanced dialogue clarity, making it perfect for movies, shows, and even gaming. Plus, the high-resolution audio delivers crisp, detailed sound that brings out every nuance in your favorite content. The soundbar also comes with DTS Virtual X technology, which creates an immersive, virtual surround sound experience without the need for additional rear speakers. It's like having a home theater system in one sleek package. Adding to the experience is the wireless subwoofer, which provides deep, powerful bass that enhances action scenes, music, and every low-frequency effect. Whether it's a movie explosion or the beat of your favorite song, the bass hits hard and feels impactful. When it comes to connectivity, the LG SL6Y has you covered with Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, and optical input. You can easily connect it to your TV, smartphone, or other devices for seamless streaming and versatile use. One of the best features of this soundbar is adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts the audio settings based on the content you're watching. Whether it's a quiet drama or an action-packed blockbuster, it ensures the sound is always optimized. The sleek black design gives it a premium, modern look that complements any home entertainment setup. It's both stylish and functional, fitting perfectly under most TVs. So, who is this soundbar for? If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance audio solution with rich sound, powerful bass, and virtual surround sound capabilities, the LG SL6Y is an excellent choice. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link below to snag this soundbar at the best price today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.